Hey family, welcome to the Pod on the Go YouTube channel. I'm Raz, I'm the host of the show. I've been podcasting since 2015 and this was my first podcast and I loved it. The interviews are great, but I really didn't know what I was doing back then. I just stepped out on faith. And in the years following, I've been involved with the production, creation, growth of many podcasts. So yeah, I put in the work. Over the last 6 years, I've put in the work. So that gives me the right, I believe, to tell you whether your podcast sucks or not, or if it's one of the greats. So on the channel, sometimes I'll analyze a great podcast. Sometimes I'll call out a successful podcast that really sucks. And sometimes I'll just give you tips and tricks on how you can grow your own podcast. Oh yeah, so in the process of building my business around podcasting, I've also fell in love with the technical aspect of live streaming and producing a live show. So you'll hear me talk about that from time to time as well. Thanks for checking out the channel. I really appreciate it. And genuinely, I want to help you grow your podcast. I want to help level up your show. So send me questions, write comments, send me an email, give me a call if you got my number. Ask me a question about growing a podcast. I want to be able to answer questions on the show. And if you're on the fence about starting a podcast, but you don't know where to start, you can go to podonthego.com and find a studio near you. It is an online platform for podcast studios. So you can find somebody, whether you're in LA, Denver, Charlotte, New York, Florida, it doesn't matter. You can find an expert podcast producer near you who can help you launch and grow your podcast. Thank you guys for watching. One last thing. I know what you're thinking. Raz, why is there a hole in your chest? It's not because my logo is green and there's a green screen behind me. That's not it. Contrary to popular belief, this is a real studio. It's 100% the real McCoy. So what it is, it's actually a hole in my heart because you have yet to subscribe to the channel.